This is a public service announcement. ISU is in the house. Hey, what's up, you guys? Okay, I have a little friend I need to show you. I'll be right back. Ready? Yeah. I got that for selling $95. This cost $95. Now, okay, we are doing a fundraiser for school. We sell magazines and everything. So, I sold, oh my god, the thing just got stuck. Okay, so I sold 6 magazines, which were $95. Including I bought one for $19. And, yeah. And I got a stupid door alarm and this. Now, I wanted this, but this cost 6 orders. So pretty much $95. This cost pretty much $95. Yeah. But a waste. It took all my time and everything, so I'm like, I'm not even going to do it anymore. But I need 3 orders by tomorrow. No, by Monday, so I can get $40. Yeah. So, here's a video that I made and my friend Justin. It's pretty funny because we get a Mountain Dew bottle and we fill it up with baking soda and vinegar, and then we make it explode. So here it is. Hey, what's up? Yeah, thing is on record. Okay, there's Justin.
Whose is that?
My dad's. Okay.
Ready?
That's. Hold on. We're gonna tell him about it. Okay, keep shaking it. That's a Mountain Dew bottle. Inside of that, it contains apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Price $2 if you get it for free. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna shake this up a little bit more, and we'll show you the explosion. Here's us throwing it up. Okay, now we're throwing it up. It's bite first this time because it's like it has a mini crack. So follow it up, okay? But when it gets up, all the way up, go back down to the ground. Okay, that was a failed attempt. Oh my god. Okay, keep filming. Really? Dude, it's like this.
Is this still pressure?
Yeah, that's a lot of pressure, but like both pressures being lost.